Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to close an account and enable an Instagram. How to do it? First of all, we log into Instagram. After that, open your profile and click on the three bars. Here you select the item, Settings and Privacy. Then go a little lower and click on the item, Account Privacy. Click on that. Look, to hide subscribers and subscriptions, we can only close our profile. There are no other ways. Unfortunately, that's the only way. So we click on Close Account, and click on Switch to Private, and click Not Now. Done. Now we're back in our account. And all those who want to see the lists of our subscribers or subscriptions will not be able to see them unless they are subscribed to you and you have given them permission. All those who leave requests and you push access for them will be able to view your lists. Done. That's the easy way to do it. There's nothing complicated about it. This was the phone support channel. Put likes and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. See you later. Bye.